If you want to resize an image in Photopea by dragging, the easiest way is to use Free Transform. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. This is a super useful skill, whether you're editing thumbnails, social media graphics, or just adjusting a layer to fit your design better. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Photopea and editing tips. All right, let's jump in. First, open your project in Photopea and look over to the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. This is where all of your images, text, and design elements are listed. Click the layer that contains the image you want to resize. It's important to select the correct layer first, because if you choose the wrong one, Photopea will transform the wrong object, and that can be confusing. Now that your image layer is selected, the next step is to activate Free Transform. This is what gives you the draggable handles around the image so you can resize it visually. The fastest way is with a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl, Alt, and T. On Mac, press Command, Option, and T. As soon as you do that, you should see a bounding box appear around your image with small square handles on the corners and edges. If you prefer using the menu instead of shortcuts, go up to the top menu bar, click Edit, and then choose Free Transform. That will give you the same result. There's also another easy method if you like using the Move tool. Just press V on your keyboard to switch to the Move tool, then look up at the top Options bar and enable Transform Controls. Once that box is checked, Photopea will show the resizing handles directly on your selected layer. Once the Transform box is visible, you're ready to resize by dragging. Move your mouse over one of the corner handles on the outer edge of the box. When your cursor changes into a double-headed arrow, click and drag inward to make the image smaller or outward to make it larger. The corners are usually the best place to drag because they let you resize the image naturally and keep it looking clean. By default, Photopea usually keeps the proportions locked, so your image won't stretch out of shape. That means if you drag one corner, the width and height scale together. But if your version behaves differently and the image starts stretching, just hold down Shift while dragging to keep the scaling even. This is really helpful if you want to avoid distortion and keep the image looking professional. If you want to resize from the center instead of from one corner, hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac while dragging. That makes the image grow or shrink evenly from the middle, which is great when you want to keep everything centered in your design. As you resize, you might notice the image looking temporary or a little pixelated. Don't worry, that's normal while the transform is active. The changes aren't finalized yet. Once you're happy with the new size, press Enter on your keyboard to confirm the resize. You can also click the checkmark icon on the far right side of the top Options bar to apply the changes. And if you change your mind before confirming, just press Escape to cancel and start over. That's a nice safety feature when you're experimenting with sizes and trying to get the perfect fit. So to quickly recap, select the image layer, open Free Transform, drag the corner handles to resize, use Shift if you need to maintain proportions, use Alt or Option to scale from the center, and then press Enter to apply the change. Once you get used to it, resizing images in Photopea becomes fast and easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple Photopea tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.